So if you're here watching this video, you're either a Forex trader just getting started, exploring this awesome world and seeing all this software and not really knowing how to decipher it, which one to use, what to choose. And maybe you're looking for a strategy that can help you earn while you learn. Or maybe you've been trading for a few years and you haven't been all that successful lately, don't have as much time as you used to, and you really could use a nice consistent strategy to give you slow and steady growth. Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to review 5 pips a day, and I want you to know the top 5 most important things you should know about this software. 5 pips a day is an automated trading expert advisor, which means that whatever broker you utilize, as long as it uses the MT4 platform for you to do your trading, this will work with it. So for most people, you won't have to create a new brokerage account because most brokerage firms do use MT4. And I would suggest having this to be a separate account from what you do your personal trading in. That way it doesn't get any mix-ups with the expert advisor that's actually going to be placing the trades for you. So yes, it will put you in a trade, set your stop loss, and take you out of a trade. So it's really important to know. So if you do any personal trading, please have this set up in a separate trading account. Now, most people are a little taken aback when they see the 5 pips a day part, because if you've traded at all or know anything about foreign currency trading, you do know that 5 pips a day doesn't really seem like a whole lot, and you might have traders who get 20 pips in a trade or 50 pips in a trade, and you're thinking 5 pips for the whole day. So what does that look like, and what does that really mean? As you can see in this table, it shows how quickly 5 pips a day can really add up. And this is showing based off of lot size. So doing one lot size, you could actually have $50 per day. Doing 2 lot sizes would be $100 per day. And you can see just following those columns over that per week, per month, it could really add up with just 5 pips per day. Here's an example of trades that were back tested for about a month. And as you can see, with initial deposit of $100,000, there was a total net profit of $3,525, and that was a total of 41 trades. So as you can see, it all depends on how much you actually put in to start your account to how much you can actually generate per day. So your 5 pips a day can be different from someone else. If you're starting with $10,000 and someone's starting with $100,000, or maybe you're only starting with $100. 5 pips a day may look like $5, may look like $50, or may look like $500,000. It really depends on what you start with your accounts. It's one thing when people see this software, don't be disillusioned by the numbers, but also don't think that great wealth can't be possible with it. It just depends on how much you have to start with, and you have to give it time to grow. As in this example on the website with these verified results, this is a 6-year time period. But wow, look what $1,000 could do. One of the most important things that you can have a handle on when you are a trader is your risk management. The beauty of 5 pips a day is that it allows you to stay in control. And that is by far something that you should look for with whatever software that you're utilizing. What that means is that you can set your allocation, you can turn it on and off, and at any point, you can adjust even your stop loss. Why? Because you want to make sure that you don't have more risk than you're comfortable with. And that is one of the downfalls that I will point out about 5 pips a day, is that it does use a rather large stop loss. So you need to make sure that you're aware of what's going on. Now, it doesn't mean that you need to stop every trade or adjust every stop loss, and some things you kind of have to build up a tolerance for. But it's really important that you know that you can, that you have the ability to do it, and that you stay in control. So keep that in mind when you download the software, that you have the capability to adjust those settings. If you're worried about getting started and setting it up, don't worry at all. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to set up an expert advisor into your MT4 platform and get it running. This comes with an ebook that can help you set it up. You can also contact the people within the company to help you get it installed. Using expert advisors are very common, and so this is just another expert advisor, but it's one that could be a very good tool for your system. So with less than 5 minutes to set up, easy to use, you can actually get started trading with it as soon as you download it today. Along with it being easy to set up and use, you actually get full support from the company and you get free updates, which is really great. And also, one of the most powerful things I think is that it has a 60-day money back guarantee. That gives you 2 full months of trading to see if you actually maintain 5 pips a day. And what's even better than that is you can use a demo account with this software and you won't lose any money. So I recommend starting off using a demo account. You might want to try it out for a few weeks. You might want to do it for a full 60 days. Most people have tried it and have back tested it and have gotten great results, and then they switch to a live account. Definitely a recommendation, okay? So get the software, try it risk-free, use a demo account, no money lost, right? It really doesn't get better than that. And what I really love is that it's inexpensive for a one-time cost of $99. It's really hard to beat, right? And I don't know if that price will always be that way, but I do know that there's no monthly fees, there's no other subscription costs, and it's only $99 to try this out, and there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So guys, that's the top 5 most important things that I think you should know about 5 pips a day. And I hope this review has been helpful. There's one final thing I want to leave you with. I want to show you with someone who's been using it for the last 2 months, right? So they're actually on about 55 days of their 60-day trial. And these are the results that they've gotten. So take a look at this. This is a live account being tracked at theforexgeek.com. And as you can see, the top row there is at 55 days. And we actually were able to go back and get it about 8 days later at 63 days. This was a $100,000 deposit account. And as you can see, it's already gained 57% at 55 days and then 67% by the 63rd day. That's just incredible results. And I thank you for watching this review of 5 pips a day.